the most important things about, and the reason that Sherman is so important, is that it is the only producing house in Cardiff. So not only can we have exciting tours, but we're making our own work, working with new writers to develop them, and also producing a variety of different and exciting projects.
It's an amazing place. I can't really describe it to you. I love this building. It's a massive part of who I am.
Mae'n bwysig bod gynnon ni yma yng Nghaerdydd yn prifddinas theatr gyffrous, lewyrchus, liwgar sydd nid yn unig yn adlewyrchu bywyd y brifddinas yn ei gwahanol agweddau a'i gwahanol gymunedau, ond hefyd yn theatr sydd yn rhoi cyfle i ni glywed lleisiau o bob cwr o Gymru.
No, but coming to the Sherman is giving me that motivation and that kind of sense to go somewhere in life and not just be a bum on the street.
I think the Sherman Cymru is a really great thing to do because you get loads of experience out of it.
And I really enjoyed the experience in Sherman, as it was a good place to be, to give people like asylum seekers and refugees a chance to come and perform and meet new people and do events. So it's such a good place to be.
One of the projects which stands out for me was the deep cut production, which we featured on our show when it debuted at London's Tricycle Theatr, and that's just one example of just how important the work of the theatre is, as it's taking the wealth of Welsh talent and to the UK and to the world as well, whether it be playwrights, producers, directors or actors. It's doing a fantastic job.
Mae Sherman Cymru yn hynod o bwysig I fi gan bod e'n pwerdi yng nghanol dinas Caerdydd.
If I didn't come to the Sherman or do anything like it, I don't think I would have done nothing with my life neither. I just reckon I would have just been there not bothering to get a job when I left school. I wouldn't have bothered to try and go back for my GCSEs.
The company provides a very important and unique space for the development of young people and their ideas. Youth theatre transforms people's lives.
Yn job ni, yn remit ni fel cwmni sydd yn creu cysylltiadau ledled Cymru yn y ddwy iaith efo sefydliadau ag unigolion yn un hynod o bwysig ac yn cynnig cyfle a ffocws mewn ffordd I sgwenwyr, yn enwedig sgwenwyr ifanc sydd ddim yn siŵr iawn ble I fynd pan maen nhw'n 11 neu'n 15. Dwi'n meddwl bod ni'n gallu cynnig cartre iddyn nhw, cartre naturiol.
I'm originally from Ghana, and I think Sherman is a good place to be. It's right in the close to the city centre, and also you meet different people, students, and people from different backgrounds.
This was what theatre was about, and never in my life have I been in a production where audiences have stood on their feet and wanted to do something at the end of the play. They wanted to make a difference.
Although I think now for me it's the building and the backstage and the technology is really starting to let us down and really starting to frustrate us as backstage crew.
Yn syml iawn, dwi'n ddiolchgar iawn I Sherman Cymru am roed y cyfleoedd maen nhw wedi roed I fi. Maen nhw'n hybu sgwennu newydd, yn enwedig sgwennu newydd sydd yn amrwd, yn onest, ac o bosib sydd ddim cweit yn barod I fynd ar y llwyfan eto, ac yn datblygu ni'r cama bach na mwyn cyrraedd y llwyfan.
Wales is a really vibrant nation when it comes to the arts, and I think that Sherman Cymru really encapsulates that.
I think that this is the only theatre that's around in Cardiff at the moment that encourages new writing and will promote new writing.
It's a really good theatre, one of the best in Wales, I reckon, the best in Wales.
If we've got the space to expand, to provide better facilities, then I feel the future for the young people who participate in the course will be better because we'll be able to provide for them in a better way. Does that make sense? Is that alright?